Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 2 1 2. Are we here? Yeah, we here. Well, actually, thank you for watching our presentation of Bitcoin. And right now, we calling this InvestCurb real estate stocks. Bitcoin's race to 40K, and do we think it's gonna get there? Yes, we do. Cause as you can see, this is a straight uptrend. Pretty much. If you don't know what I mean by new watchers, this right here is basically showing the uptrend. The uptrend. So, for those who don't know, Bitcoin is having a very great, great performance right now. And let me let you know, InvestCurb isn't an InvestCurb. InvestCurb isn't investment professional. We're not liable for any losses you may have. Only trade what you understand and never based on anyone's opinion. Our channel is basically here for entertainment purposes only. So, with that being said, whoa, how you like that Bitcoin? Right now, Bitcoin is doing very well, and we just want to keep that going, right? Right? We want to keep that going. How many of you making money out there with Bitcoin? I'm pretty sure there is a lot of you that are out there making that money with Bitcoin. So let's keep doing it. There's so many different talks about Bitcoin. You know, is it a commodity? Is it actually a currency? Will it be used as will it be used as a main form of money and stuff like that? So, I mean, like I said, yeah, I mean, if you're not investing in Bitcoin nowadays, then you're just not aware, and you're very ignorant to the fact that you are looking at something that can be the greatest hedge to your portfolio and with balancing your portfolio. So, I mean, with that being said, you have to take things into consideration with Bitcoin. But I'm still trying to wait and see. I'm trying to wait for a little bit more people to log in here. Let me give it a second. The race to 40K. That's what's going down. I mean, to be unaware of Bitcoin nowadays, you have to really be like out your mind. You have to be out your mind. Cause I mean, Bitcoin right now is making moves. I mean, when it passed 35K, I was actually shocked. Cause not saying that I didn't expect it to reach 35K. When I actually did, and as you can see, we on a race to 40. If you pay attention, J.P. Morgan, they just put out their big news update on where they think Bitcoin is going to be, their predictions. So, I mean, everybody's like, well, can't say everybody. A lot of people is pro Bitcoin right now. And if you're not pro Bitcoin, that only means you just have a different agenda that is probably more catered to cash or gold, which is understandable. But a lot of these companies are doing it in different ways. They're hedging a bet. They're still putting the money in Bitcoin, but they're just doing it through other organizations in a sense. You know, so that's just to let you know. Like, are there companies like really investing in Bitcoin? Yes, there are. There's companies that are getting in way harder than me and you could ever even think about getting in. You know, I mean, they're going in the hundreds of thousands. You know, and just letting that money sit. So I'm sorry, you calling me stupid because I like Bitcoin, but these people are throwing hundreds of thousands of dollars into Bitcoin and quote unquote, yeah, they're way more professional investors. Well, I don't know. Because Warren Buffett buys a stock, does that mean you buy the stock? Well, yeah, that's Warren Buffett. No, you're still a fool. What if Warren Buffett just one day, made a bad choice? I mean, come on. People are human. People make bad choices, and sometimes they make bad mistakes. But this is not a bad mistake right here. With Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, those are actually the three average coins you should definitely have in your portfolio. That's Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. So, as you're building a portfolio, make sure you focus on those: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And please don't forget, when you get a chance, hit the subscribe button, okay? And also like and share it, please. Highly appreciate it. Chat, comment with us, do whatever you feel is right. We basically try to show our people all types of investments, whether it be real estate stocks, whether it be regular stocks, or whether it be, cryptocurrencies. We try to educate the masses and the public. And I mean, if you like what you're seeing and you like what you're viewing, please give us the thumbs up. Ring the bell. Definitely, that will work. And also, don't forget, because a lot of times I do this when I look at my settings, right? So you click settings, you go to quality, and you could actually push your screen to 1080p and get a much sharper image. I'm not sure if a lot of you know that, but you could definitely do that. And I know somebody was asking me the other day, hey, pretty much, how do I get the 1080p? I see you say hit the button and click the 1080p. How do I get that? Well, there's a little settings icon on the bottom right of your screen, and then you click on that and you say settings, and then you go to quality, and then you'll see you click in that, and you want to make sure 1080p is clicked. That's how you get that, actually. Wasn't really too familiar that a lot of people didn't know that, but now they do. But definitely, folks, my name is William Wheeler, and we taking it to the top with you once again with cryptocurrencies, as you can see, for the race to 40K. I mean, right now it can't be stopped. We hope it won't be stopped. Oh man, last year was a nice, powerful, decent uptrend. I mean, you can see it. I'm showing you. See, most people talk to you about it, but they don't really show you or tell you how it got there. They just say, hey, Bitcoin is going up, let's go get some. And you'd be like, I'm not getting that. I don't trust that. But I'm telling you, Bitcoin is feeding a lot of families right now. And sometimes just because you think you know it all, at the last minute, you'll be the one not eating. So you want to make sure you jump on board and you play it right. Now, I'm not telling you to invest. I'm not telling you to invest. That choice is yours. I'm only doing this for entertainment purposes. But, I mean, it's plain to see what it's doing. That's for sure. It's plain to see what it's doing. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And that's the way. I mean, right now, look at all the companies that are jumping into it. Okay? If you have questions on Bitcoin, let me know. If you have questions on on most of these cryptocurrencies, let me know. If I don't know the answer, I will find it. Ain't nothing changed, you know. But definitely want to get your information going. If you are not an investor, if you are an investor, more kudos to you. Definitely more kudos to you. And we like how this is going down. So once again, this is William Wheeler from InvestCurb Real Estate Stocks and InvestCurb Blog. Make sure you check out the website www.investcurb.com. That's another thing. We got a lot of big moves being made on investcurb.com. You can check out our newsletter that we have. I mean, we have so many things for you to read and learn about on there. It's awesome where it's at right now. It's definitely growing. With that being said, it truly is. And make sure, please subscribe. If you're watching this, subscribe to the channel so you can see what we have going on. What's more, 2021 is definitely going to be a big year for us, and I mean, nothing will be held back this year. Nothing at all will be held back. So, with that being said, I mean, right now, where's it at? Bitcoin is at 34,955 or 64. It just went to. So I mean, pretty much it's on its way to 35. Then it almost hit 36. You can't beat that. Definitely almost hit 36, and it's right around the corner. It's right around the corner. I mean, stuff like this, it get me excited just to see how, Now, Bitcoin, if you think about it, it was the underdog, right? And you actually getting a chance to see the underdog winning, right? It was definitely the underdog, and now the underdog is winning. So you can't sleep on that. I mean, so many people should have got in. If you look at it right here, so many people could have got in. Let me see. Let's go to, this is 2020. Right, hold on. Let's go to 2020. So this is November. Hey, I'm going to show you guys something. Let's show you something. Just to give you an idea, April 2020, Bitcoin was at $6,557. $6,557. Now most people say, well, I still couldn't have bought that. Well, you probably couldn't, but I guarantee you, if you'd have put your pennies in there, right, your couple of dollars here and there, I mean, from 6,000 to, I mean, well, let's just say 5 times the amount. I mean, I don't know. Bitcoin probably be paying your phone bill right now, right? Your cell phone bill, huh? Your cable bill, some bill, right? Some type of bill. That's right. And mind you, I'm scrunching this so you could actually see. Let me see, 10.8. Yeah, so, a lot of people. Well, Bitcoin went down. Yeah, it did go down. It went down. But what in the market doesn't go down? What goes up comes down, then it goes right back up. Any true investor will know that. Oh, past 35,073. There you go. So, once again, this is William Wheeler. You're watching InvestCurb, and this is Bitcoin's race for 40K. As we take it to the top, we're going to basically go to a small commercial break.